Hello students, hello friends. I am Dr. Preeti Baheti, Professor of Maheshwari Girls PG College, Business Administration in that field. Today I am going to explain about what is perception. Students, you all might have heard about perception. Let's start this topic with a very good example of my own. Let's see what is perception all about. Students, आप ये देख रहे हैं, this is a glass of water, an empty glass. I'm going to fill water in it. Let's see. Okay. I filled this glass. What do you see? Few people say it's glass half filled. I say it's half unfilled. मतलब ये दोस्तों कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ये ग्लास हाफ फिल्ड है, कुछ ये कहते हैं कि ग्लास आधा अभी तक भरा नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? What does this mean? Perception. Perception says what is your thinking process. आप इस perception से अंदाज लगा सकते हैं. You can guess that what is your interpretation, what are your thinking and what is your attitude towards an object. It can be positive, it can be negative. For me, when I say perception, students, it is your stimuli which gives a sensory input to the information and it transforms and it interprets what perception actually means to you. Let's study with few examples and concepts of perception. Alright students, perception is an intellectual process of transforming sensory stimuli to meaningful information. Look in this paper, students. Look in this paper which says that it is an intellectual process. एक intellectual process है, we talk. And it is of transforming sensory stimuli. हमारे जो stimuli है कुछ information transfer करते हैं students, जो meaning देते हैं. And it is a process of interpreting something that we are here in our mind and we use it to later to judge and give a verdict on a situation. ये लैटर, ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमें ये हेल्प करता है कि आगे आने वाली सिचुएशन क्या कहती है. While observing others in our day-to-day life, people tend to commit errors due to this faulty perceptions. ये गलत perception, गलत सोच के कारण हम कई सारे errors भी हमसे हो जाते हैं because of this faulty interpretations. This is a process and when we make faulty interpretation, it makes a wrong decision. Now students, जब हम perception की बात करते हैं, there are various errors which you might have heard. आपने सुना होगा selective perception, आपने सुना होगा projection के बारे में. You might have heard about halo effect. You might have heard about stereotyping and contrast effect. Let us study all this perception one by one. The first and the foremost is selective perception. ये क्या होता है? Selective, as the name suggests, you select few things according to your desires. Let's see. It is a tendency to observe people selectively according to your own interest, background and experience. आपका interest क्या है? आपका background क्या है? उसके basis पे आप individual को, आप उनके perception को judge करते हैं. You perceive. It is always likely to identify the need to strengthen the production. For example, students, अगर एक production manager है तो वो क्या देखेगा कि how best the production can run with the help of a good and strengthening production manager. यानी कि production manager production के skills को ही देखेगा, वो marketing के skills को नहीं देखेगा, चाहे वो individual में कितने भी हो. Similarly, if I talk about the marketing manager, students, he will see only about that marketing concepts कि उसमें sales promotion के techniques कितने हैं, क्योंकि उसका area of expertise तो marketing में ही है ना. So that is basically about the selective perception. Second point which comes, which says is the projection. How do you project the thing, students? It is a tendency to assign one's own personal attribute to others, for instance. Now students, when I say one's own personal attributes, what does this mean? It says that a manager who is corrupt will tend to project the others also as a corrupt people. अगर खुद खराब है तो हम ये सोचते हैं कि सामने वाला भी ऐसा ही होगा. This is basically known as projection. Similarly, manager who loves doing challenging work, he feels that the other should also do this work. This is known as projection. What happens, students, whenever and many times managers who are engaged in production, they compromise their ability to respond to individual differences. हर individual अलग है. Managers शायद ये भूल जाते हैं when they do projections. It can be any individual students. ये day-to-day life में भी useful है because individual differences matters a lot. If you're good in marketing, you see the others in marketing. If you see yourself as a very good person, accepting challenges, आप ये समझते हैं कि दूसरे भी ऐसे accept कर ले challenges, ये आपको ये analyze करने में tough हो जाता है कि what the other person have the skills, because other person may vary in their skills and approaches. So students, these were the two basic points. The next 3 points of stereotyping, halo effect and contrast effect I'll be covering in my next video lecture. Thank you.